This is Code.org. I'm working on the CS Course 3, Course 3, and I'm on the lesson, The Maze. Can you get the sunflower using only 6 blocks? Alright, so we've already used one of them. WinRun is a block. See, workspace 1 out of 6. Oh, look though, this is going to be good for a repeat block, because it's like stairs. So I think I'll need to go forward, then go up, then go forward, right? So let's see. Let's test out one block to be sure. I'm going to say forward, and it looks like a left, and then another forward. I'm going to hit step, and we can watch one at a time. So right now, this code just ran up, and now we turned left, up, and now we went up. So now I'm probably going to want to go right. Reset. Yep, okay. Now, let's just watch what I do here. I'm going to put too many blocks, but I know I'm going to want to move forward, and then I would need to turn left, and then I'm going to move forward again, and I think I would turn right. Let's watch. I know I have too many blocks, but we're testing it. Oh, okay, so we got up 2 steps now. Notice, I am repeating forward, forward, left, left, move forward, right. So instead of doing this, in code you don't need to do it like this. I can get rid of that, and we can say repeat until. Now, all the code inside this pink block, inside of the pink mouth of this block, the computer's going to run, and it's going to run until we get to, well, the flower. We're saying, hey, computer, are we at the flower? No? Okay. Well, zombie, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Okay, so, hey, computer, are we at the flower? No, because we're not. Okay, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. And now, hey, computer, are we at the flower yet? And the computer's going to say, no, you're not at a flower. And so then we move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. And now we're going to ask, hey, computer, are we at the flower? Nope. The computer says forward, left, forward, right. Computer, are we at that flower? No. Forward, left, forward, right. All right. How about now, computer? Nope. Forward, left, forward. Oh, and we got there and ate our flower. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's keep going.